Modern wood design is more than a trend, it is a movement shaped by simplicity, elegance, and an appreciation for clean, functional beauty. Buyers today look for pieces that feel fresh, contemporary, and intentional, and they are willing to pay more for designs that blend artistry with practicality. This narration invites you into a space where modern woodworking becomes a pathway to remarkable earning potential. With each smooth surface, perfectly aligned edge, and thoughtfully crafted form, you create pieces that don't just decorate homes, they elevate them. Contemporary design has a unique power. It looks refined but remains warm, minimal yet meaningful, clean but never cold. As you listen to this narration, imagine yourself stepping into a world where your creativity evolves into something buyers recognize as premium. Every decision you make, from the type of wood you choose to the finish you apply, shapes the final impression of your work. Modern design isn't about complexity, it is about intention. A straight line, a balanced proportion, a floating silhouette, or a sharp contrast between light and dark wood can turn an ordinary project into a showpiece. That is why buyers pay more. Modern design communicates skill, precision, and artistic awareness. This introduction opens the door to a narration that explores how contemporary woodworking can shape your brand, strengthen your market value, and help you create pieces that truly earn. The ideas, insights, and inspiration ahead will guide you through the exciting world of modern furniture and decor, a world where your craftsmanship transforms into income that feels steady, satisfying, and well-deserved. Modern wood design begins with the understanding that contemporary buyers want furniture that feels light, elegant, and uncluttered. They want something visually calm but emotionally rich, something that speaks without shouting. This is where your craft becomes powerful. When you shape wood into forms that feel modern, you create an experience, the feeling of opening a space, simplifying a room, or adding a touch of sophistication without overwhelming the senses. The beauty of contemporary woodworking lies in its quiet confidence. A piece doesn't need ornate decoration to be beautiful. Sometimes the most stunning designs are the ones that allow the wood itself to express its natural story. As you craft modern pieces, picture the clean lines running across a tabletop, the subtle grain pattern dancing beneath a layer of smooth finish, and the precise geometry that defines the piece's silhouette. Buyers pay more for modern designs because they see them as elegant, timeless, and versatile. These pieces often fit seamlessly into homes decorated in minimal, Scandinavian, industrial, or Japandi style, all of which remain incredibly popular. Because modern design blends into so many aesthetics, your potential customer base grows. This is the secret behind why contemporary woodworking earns more. It serves both style and practicality. Consider the impact of a floating shelf, simple but visually striking. With a hidden bracket and a perfectly sanded surface, it becomes more than a piece of wood, it becomes a statement. Minimal shelves are among the most profitable modern projects because they require little material, yet their sleek appearance instantly elevates any room. People use them to display art, books, plants, and meaningful items. And because they appear to float, buyers feel they are purchasing something premium, even though the build remains accessible and straightforward for you as the creator. Another example of modern woodworking that sells for higher value is the contemporary coffee table. Unlike traditional tables, modern designs rely on angular legs, asymmetrical shapes, bold contrasts, or a mixture of materials like wood with metal or glass. These combinations create a sense of artistry that appeals to buyers who want something fresh and unique. The key is restraint, allowing each design element to stand out without overcrowding the form. When a coffee table appears sculptural yet functional, customers see it as a centerpiece worth paying more for. In the world of modern design, lighting plays a significant role in shaping how buyers perceive your woodwork. Picture a slender wooden lamp with a curved neck or a geometric frame. These pieces bring warmth and artistic flair into homes. They serve not only as lighting but also as decor. Contemporary wooden lamps command higher prices because they merge craftsmanship, design, and utility into a single piece. Their shapes feel timeless yet innovative, giving buyers a sense of owning something special. Buyers also value modern furniture that incorporates clean geometric lines. A side table with a square frame, a shelf unit shaped like a rectangle with open negative space, or a minimalist desk with balanced proportions all fall into this category. These pieces are admired for their simplicity, and simplicity creates profit because it requires less material and fewer steps yet produces stunning visual impact. A well-crafted minimalist desk, for example, looks sleek and professional, making it ideal for home offices, a space that has grown significantly in demand. As remote work becomes permanent for many, modern wooden desks, monitor stands, and organizers consistently sell at premium prices. Modern wood design also embraces the beauty of natural tones. Light woods like beech, ash, and birch have become extremely popular because they brighten spaces and create a sense of calm. When buyers see these calming tones paired with clean lines, they feel an emotional connection to the piece. Smooth surfaces, rounded corners, and matte finishes bring out the elegance of the wood without overwhelming the senses. This subtlety is what makes modern design so appealing and profitable. The value lies in the experience the piece creates. One of the most powerful elements of contemporary woodworking is contrast. A tabletop crafted from dark walnut paired with light maple legs immediately draws attention. The eye notices the balance and the intentionality. Contrast gives your projects depth and character. This combination is beloved by modern buyers, especially when the grain patterns of each would complement one another. When you craft with contrast in mind, your work gains a refined and sophisticated look that commands higher pricing. Another lucrative avenue within modern woodworking is multifunctional furniture. Modern wood designs attract buyers who appreciate beauty, simplicity, and craftsmanship, and they are willing to pay more for pieces that reflect these qualities. As you craft contemporary furniture and decor, you're not just building objects, you're shaping experiences, elevating spaces, and transforming your creativity into income. Keep embracing clean lines, refined finishes, thoughtful proportions, and intentional design, because these elements form the foundation of profitable modern woodworking. Every project you build brings you closer to realizing your full creative and financial potential. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.